We are on the campaign trail with Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. He is the Minister of State for Agriculture and he's also the current MP of Jodhpur contesting against Ashok Gehlot, the Chief Minister of Rajasthan's son Vaibhav Gehlot. So I've spent yesterday evening and today morning talking to people in Jodhpur and I'll be very honest, when I've asked them कि आपके सांसद कौन है, a lot of them have said Ashok Gehlot. Seriously sir, मैं आपको वीडियो भी दिखा सकती हूँ और हम प्ले भी करेंगे. But they've said Ashok Gehlot and I've had to say wait, but it's this person, it's Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. यहाँ पर अभी यहाँ के सांसद कौन है?
यहाँ के सांसद है अपने ये नाम है भूल गया, कांग्रेस की है कौन?
MP मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट यहाँ के कौन है?
अपने अशोक गहलोत जी
नहीं, गजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत जी.
अच्छा गजेंद्र जी.
यहाँ पर अभी आपके MP कौन है यहाँ के?
जी
मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट आपके सांसद कौन है यहाँ पे?
अशोक जी है ना.
अशोक जी हैं. गजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत जी हैं आपके. 2014 में वो जीते यहाँ पे चुनाव. आप उनके बारे में क्या जानते हैं?
जानते तो नहीं, बस आज में अच्छे हैं.
आपके यहाँ के सांसद कौन है?
अशोक गहलोत.
नहीं, गजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत जी.
हाँ गजेंद्र.
How would you react to people not knowing that you're the MP of Jodhpur?
I can't believe because my connect with the people of Jodhpur is so organic. So I just don't believe that. I don't know why. And
one of the big issues that you're also the Minister of State for Agriculture. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Yojana, which is the insurance.
Fasal
Bima Yojana, which is your insurance scheme, started in January 2016. So we looked at some information, some data, and we found out that in the last 3 sowing seasons, the insurance money has not been released to the farmers in Rajasthan, sir.
I just don't believe and I totally disagree with this. See, I can give you the village and farmer wise data of all 3 crop seasons, that who all the farmers which are being benefited.
हमारे प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना है, हम केसीसी ले रखा है, इसमें से हमारा प्रीमियम कट रहा है, उससे हमें कोई लाभ नहीं मिल रहा है.
फसल बीमा योजना है वो हमारे यहाँ पर तो किसी को लाभ नहीं मिला है.
प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना कब अप्लाई किया था आपने?
ये 2017 में किया था, 2018 में भी किया है, लेकिन मेरा जो पैसे है अभी तक आए नहीं.
The fact that the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana in this BJP manifesto has now become voluntary, which it wasn't earlier, is that an admission that maybe the state government doesn't have the kind of funds to back such a big insurance scheme?
Yes, some of the states have not implemented the scheme till now. The Punjab has not implemented.
No, I'm talking about Rajasthan, sir.
When the government was ours, we were implementing the stake in the best of the manner.
Sir, in the last election, you won by a margin of more than 4 lakh votes. And a lot of it has been attributed to the Modi wave that 2014 saw. It was an unprecedented election. Would you call the 2019 Lok Sabha polls a waveless election, sir?
No, not at all. The Lok Sabha elections, the elections of 2014 was the elections with the ray of new hope. People were looking towards Modi as a new ray of hope. And in this election, the people are looking towards Modi with a confidence that what he has promised, he has fulfilled, and he is the only leader who can develop India as a strong and wealthy nation.
But it's not the same as it was in 2014. There is that Modi wave, that expectation, because we have lost. The BJP has lost 3 state elections, sir. The Hindi heartland states.
I think that's not relevant here, because during assembly elections the things were local, the issues were local. But in this election, at the time of assembly elections, people used to say about that these are the local elections, but at the time of Lok Sabha polls, we are going to vote and support Modi wholeheartedly.
Right. But you are allying with the RLP, Hanuman Beliwal's party. What was the need to do that? If you're so confident that you will win the 25 seats in of the Lok Sabha in Rajasthan, why ally with RLP?
If anything, anybody comes with us and boosts our energy and our strength, and everybody is welcome, and we is a big family. And if any new family member comes and join hands with us and with that and increase our strength, he is always welcome with us.
All right. A few days ago in Pokhran, when you had gone for a meeting, you said something about government officials there, for which you were given a show cause notice.
It was.
1 second, sir. So you were given till 18th April to respond to that show cause notice. Have you responded? If you have,
yeah,
what have you
I
said?
have already responded for that notice. And the statement which I made was not for the not in general for the government official. I respect them. I know they are the counterpart of the system, and we have to work with them only. But that was for a particular officer who is working as a party agent for Congress party.
Okay.
He did the same during the assembly polls.
Last question, sir. LK Advani and Murni Manohar Joshi were not given tickets to contest. And Mr. LK Advani, I'm sure you've read that blog where he said that those people who disagree with us cannot just be called anti-national. Do you agree with his views, sir?
I'm not going to comment anything upon that.